Welcome to our YouTube video on power. I'm your assistant, here to provide a clear and simple explanation of what power means in engineering. Shortly, what is the definition? Power is the rate at which work is done or energy is transferred over time. In electrical terms, power is measured in watts W and is calculated as voltage multiplied by current. Think of power as the strength of a light bulb. Voltage pushes the electricity, but power tells you how much energy the bulb uses to shine. So, why is it so important to understand what power is? Because power defines the efficiency and performance of machines, engines, and electrical systems. It helps engineers design safe, reliable, and energy-efficient solutions, ensuring systems deliver the right output without wasting resources. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more engineering definitions explained simply. Get more at www.suppliersplatform.com.